Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a peacock design in Kalamkari Art Style. So for that I have taken an MDF board of 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. First I'll do the marking for the borders and then I'll draw the peacock on the board. After drawing the peacock on the board, we will do the outline with black color acrylic paint, and then we will make the borders and we'll do rest of the design, etc. So let's start. So this is my MDF board on which I have given 2 coats of gesso. Okay, you can use gesso or any other primer. Now I'm going to use my scale and I will leave 1 centimeter distance on all the sides in case if we want to get it frame. We'll mark 1 centimeter. Now we are going to give, because it's not a very big board, so we are going to leave just 1 centimeter for border and we'll draw a thin border. After this, I will leave one more line of ½ centimeter. Now whatever is remaining space, we'll find the midpoint. It's 20, so 10, here 10. So roughly this is the line around which our peacock should come. So we know where we have to draw the peacock. So to draw a Kalamkari peacock, we will leave this space for the feather. We'll draw the tummy part here and face here. So let's start. we will start the coloring. This is 000 number brush and I'm using the black color paint to draw the outline of peacock. So first we'll do the outline work. I'll start from the top because then my hand will not dirty the lower part, and it's better to keep a paper or something here so that our hand will not dirty it. So this is border number 1. This is white paint. Where we have put black color, we can show these small petals also. It's all our wish what we want to do. You can fill color in this. Lots of things you can do. Normally borders are in black and white and painting is also in black and white, and then the color is done. So we will start from the top. So peacock is identified with Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. There are many interpretations. This is one of them. That is why people keep peacock feathers at home. Many people keep peacock feathers at home. They think that Lakshmi ji will come to their house and it will bring wealth and prosperity into the house. It is also believed that peacock feathers keep the house free from flies. Krishna is generally depicted with peacock feathers adorning his head. So all of us have seen Krishna paintings, Krishna pictures. Peacock feather is always there with the Krishna ji. Lakshmi ji is always with Vishnu ji, and they say that Lakshmi ji is consort of Vishnu ji and Krishna was avatar of Vishnu ji. So Lakshmi ji is goddess of prosperity, good luck, everything. So because of that, peacock feather is kept, and she is symbolized by Mayura. Mayura is peacock. It's according to Ganesh Puran. Originally, India always has peacock in pujas, on the thrones, kings' thrones, Mughal emperor's thrones. Peacock was always made in the jewelry. It's also a symbol of beauty. In 17th century, peacock throne was made for Shah Jahan in Agra, and the name was taken from two peacocks covered in gold and jewels that were part of the throne. Kartikeya is an ancient god and it's traceable to Vedic era. So it is the archaeological evidence from 1st century, and earlier when he is found with Hindu god Agni, that means fire, and they say that he is a significant deity in Hinduism. He is found in many medieval temples all over India, such as Ellora caves and Elephanta caves worldwide, particularly in Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, and South Africa. Wherever Hindus went, they took the deity. And Kartikeya temple are dedicated to him in Sri Lanka, Sinhalese people. Some parts of India, it is called Skanda, and it's along with the Ganesha, Parvati, and Shiva. And the myth is that peacock has angel's feather, a devil's voice, and the walk of a very elegant walk. And people believe that not only Mount of Kartikeya, but it is also along with associated with Saraswati ji, the goddess of education. It is also vehicle of Lakshmi and Brahma. So lots of places description of peacock is there, Mayura. And Hindu gurus are very fond of keeping the peacock feathers in the textbooks. When we were young, we used to keep more monkey with us. There is a story in Uttara Ramayana that Indra, who was unable to defeat the Ravan, sheltered under the wing of a peacock. So in Uttara Ramayana, this is the story. Mayura names as Paravani serves the god Kartikeya. Kaumari is depicted with the Mayura, and the Mayura also serves as her convent. Krishna is depicted with peacock feathers. Lakshmi ji is depicted with peacock because she symbolizes by Mayura. Mayureshwara is an incarnation of Ganesha whose mount is a peacock. It's according to Ganesh Puran. The Mayura name Sitra Mekhala is associated with Saraswati, a deity representing benevolence, patience, kindness, compassion, and knowledge. Sri Chanda Bhairavar, one of the Asht Bhairava, 8 Bhairavs, whose mount is a peacock. So peacock is mentioned in lots of things and it has lots of importance in. So basic outline is ready. Now I'm going to use some of the peacock colors and I'll try to fill here. So first color which I'm going to use is blue. This is the blue. My next color is teal blue. My next color is pink. If we want, we can give outline of light blue here, or if we want, we can fill also light blue, but leaving some white space. This place we will leave white. Now, the next color, I will take some bright color, maybe the green or something like that. This is green. Okay, I'll take black color and draw the outline here. I'm planning to use this light beige color as background color. With this, our peacock painting is completed. I hope you liked the tutorial. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste. Thank you very much.